Have you actually discovered in life that people that do not actually know where they are supposed to go, people that actually are confused about what it is that they want to do in life, actually like the definition of purpose? In my perspective, I do think that you do unleash purpose and you unlock prosperity in your life. The minute you discover your purpose, that's when you actually unleash prosperity. And that's why you see people moving from one segment to the other, one career to the other. And that's because they haven't fully discovered their purpose and why they were actually born and why they're actually on this planet Earth. And as a result, they are very unsuccessful at nothing. You know what I mean? So I think if you do discover why you were born, that actually attracts everything that's meant for you, and you do become a successful person at everything you touch. Everything you touch literally turns into gold if you are an individual that actually functions and moves on their purpose. So I do think that it's really important that at any point, every individual in life has to discover what it is that they were born to do, what it is that they were given as they were born. Because all of us, when we are born, we are given success. We are given purpose on the handles of our hands, and it is up to us to entirely discover why we were born. So that's what I want to talk about today, that as we start the week and as it is a Monday, people need to discover their purpose and why they were born. And as they discover their purpose, prosperity will be unleashed in their lives. Happy Monday.
Hi guys, welcome back yet to another video. This is Mr. Forex and Beyond. I just want to tell you about the broker that I'm using, which is AAA and how easy to register and deposit. Firstly, as you can see here, you just go to the live account, and then from there you fill in your details. After filling in your details, the next part is to upload your documents, which takes only 2 seconds, and the verification of your document only takes less than a minute. After verifying all your documents, now the next stage, it is for you to choose the type of account that you want, stuff like leverage, the basic stuff like leverage that you want according to how you trade or your strategy. After that, boom, you have created your account. Now what is left, it is funding. How are you gonna fund your account? You go to the tab that's written funding on the left side of your screen, and then you choose the type of transaction that you wanna take. There's a lot of transaction method or deposit method. You've got Skrill, Bitcoin option, you've got the card option. Well, I personally chose the Bitcoin option, of which I just pressed on the fund next to the crypto option, and then I go to my crypto exchange platform, of which some of you may use Luno or use Coin Exchange or Binance. So it is quite easy. You just press the fund button, you copy the e-wallet address, and then you go to your crypto exchange platform, be Coinbase, be Luno, and then you paste that address on it. They're gonna send you the code to verify your transaction, and then you just need to wait for less than 15 minutes or 30 minutes for the transaction to be completed, especially with the Bitcoin if you choose the Bitcoin option. But it is quite easy, guys. So make sure that you hit the link button, you register your own account with AAA, and then from there you start trading immediately on the same day. So it is quite nice, guys. See you on the other side. Register your account with AAA right now and begin your trading journey.